Hi everybody and welcome. Today I'm going to tell you how you can easily add stop on the Google Maps application. So, to add stop at first we have to create our navigation main goal. So for example, let's navigate to the Warsaw directions, and now to add the stop we have to tap here, and here we have to tap edit stops. Here we have a Warsaw be add stop, so we can move, as you can see, the stop and add it between the main point and our stop. Here we can add our stop and select, for example, home, your location, home and Warsaw. Here we have, as you can see, another stop added by default, but we can change it, as you can see, and delete, etc. If you are done, you just have to click done here. And that's it. Hope it helps you, and goodbye.